Alright, so in this video, I'm just going to show you that how to turn on quiet mode in Instagram app. That's very simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Instagram app, and after that, just simply come to the menu. So you can see three lines on the top right. Just tap on that three lines. Here you can see the option of settings and privacy at the top. Just tap on that option. So just scroll up a little bit. You don't need to scroll, just here you get the option of notification on the second number on the top. Just tap on notification option. So here you can see quiet mode. Let me highlight that option, this one. Just tap on that quiet mode option. So here you can see the switch. Just in order to turn on quiet mode option, just toggle on that option like in this way. And here you can simply select a time in which time you want to automatically turn it on. Just simply click on this time, and here select your time like from 7 p.m. to like 5 a.m. or which one. So you can see it says that you can turn it on for up to 12 hours only. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.